Hello everyone, today we will have an introduction on Sinomach vibration roller model GYS08J. Operating weight is 8 tons, equipped with Chinese Xingcai engine, 42 kilowatts, approximately 57 horsepower. Look at the latest design, beautiful outlook. The roller drum width is about 1.65 meters. Suitable for small and middle class roads, which are mostly required in developing countries. Let's check the thickness of the drum. Wow, quite strong. It's lifetime assurance. Wide view cabin. Make sure there's no blind spot by driver. Air conditioner brings you cooling work environment. Axle is made by ourselves, Sinomach Roller. Reliable quality. The tires are used in mining. Look at the thickness, very nice. Mature technology, 6-speed automobile transmission. 5 forward and 1 reverse. Power comes from the engine, transferred to the transmission through the clutch, and finally to this gearbox, split into the tires and the drums. Roller operation. First step, let's open the door and make sure that door is locked tightly. Soon we step on and get into the cabin. Well, so have a seat, which is comfortable. Just put over. And here is the main switch for the power. Just the switch on. Try the pad and the clutches. Okay, you now switch on the power, right? That's getting started. Into neutral position, right?
Yeah.
Gearbox into neutral position. Now, just switch on the keys. Check the instruments and the meters. Okay, now we can start. Okay, the engine sounds.
Then accelerate.
Accelerate parking. Accelerate. It's accelerated. Okay. Yeah. Make sure that air pressure is
Neutral position.
yeah.
Indicator.
Okay. Neutral position.
Yes. Indicator.
Okay. The light is in green, so now we can change the speed.
Yeah.
Okay. Just quite similar like cars, and we can change into forward. Accelerate. Here there's a parking. So a parking brake. You just release it. Sound the horn and check every it's in safe. So now we can move forward. Yeah. Accelerated by hands, so you can move faster. Now it's in. Change the speed too, right?
Yes.
There are 5 speeds for forward, so you may change accordingly, just like your car. Okay.
Reverse.
Oh, now we can change into reverse gear. So we are moving back to our original position. The breeze is sounding so that warning to the people background. the parking brake on. And here's the vibration switch. Now we are. Now the drum is vibrating, but in the cabin you can feel it's not very strong because of the absorbing is used. Now we turn back to stop vibration. Yeah, the home.
Steering indicator.
This is steering indicator. Yes. Working lamp. It's long beam. This is short beam. All lights. Quite similar like cars. Even here's air pressure meters.
Air conditioner.
Air conditioner hose. Pad and the instrument is here, so you can adjust accordingly. You will get cool. The breeze is quite strong.
This is the engine stopper. Pull up this flexible shaft to stop the engine. Here is the wiper controller, electronic fan, and reading lamp. It's LED. The vibration control valve is
Located here.
located here.
You see
On the
steering. It is articulated.
Articulated.
Maintenance tips for Sinomach rollers. At the first 100 hours, you needed to replace the oil filter, and after that, every 250 hours, you replace oil filter and the fuel filters. Regarding air filters, we suggest you check weekly, because it's if in normal air working environment, not very dusty, it can be used for 500 to 2,000 working hours. But if in heavy dusty, you need to replace earlier. Okay. Use oil level dipstick to check the oil level. We suggest you check every day for make sure that oil level is enough.
Belt.
Oh, okay. Also check.
Belt.
Yeah, you need to check the belt of the engine pipe.
The tightness.
Okay. Make sure it's tight. Don't move this, it's red and marked. And also you need to take care of this one. This is air compressor filter, you need to clean it often. You need to remove this clip circle and take it out the air compressor filter. Transmission maintenance suggestion. We suggest you replace transmission oil every 1,000 hours. Unscrew this one at the bottom. It would flow and
Drop off the gear oil.
Yes. And when you need to unscrew this one to fill in new transmission oil. Also, when you check monthly about the transmission oil level, you can unscrew it, and if it's overflow, means it's enough oil inside. About the vice gearbox maintenance, we suggest to change the oil every 1,000 hours, just the same with transmission. Here is the filling hole. Unscrew it, you will fill the new oil. At the bottom side, there's another one to drop off the oil. First, remove this plate so you can see the hole. And here is a checkpoint of the oil level. In case there's some leakage, you need to check and make sure there's enough oil. And here is greaser of the gearbox. It will keep the balance of the pressure inside and outside. Just make sure to clean. This is brake booster, which makes sure your brake working properly. You need to check frequently about this booster. Make sure that oil level is beyond the minimum position. Now let's have a look of the oil level. Now it's in perfect condition. This hydraulic oil tank, you can see the oil level from this meter. We suggest you replace hydraulic oil every year. And this is a hydraulic oil return filter. Here's the indicator. Once it reaches the red area, you need to unscrew it and replace the filter. This side is fuel tank. We use the diesel for this roller. And the indicator is inside the cabin. You can see where it's positioned now. Let's find the battery here. We use this, open this clip. Oh, very strong. And we found here beside the steps. It is 12-volt battery, and then maintenance free. This is the main power relay for the switch on and off. And let's open this. It's empty. This is a toolbox for you. You can use it. Check the red caps. It's the grease nozzle. There's several grease nozzles in the machine. We suggest that you grease it weekly. Keep it to lubrication. The air reservoir is under the vibration pump. You see it, it's a square. Regarding the air reservoir, we suggest you to drainage it every week because some water gets inside. So we need to protect our brake system. It's at the bottom. This is a fuse box. It's just beside the instrument panel, and all fuses are combined here.
In case if the nature indicator is not working and when you switch the key, the starting motor is not responding, you have to check. You have to check this neutral switch, and maybe the neutral switch is damaged. Then for emergency start, you just connect two wires.
For more information, please read the operation manual which is sent along with the machine, or inquire us by mail or by call.